Hello dear students, good morning all of my students. How are you? Right now, I can hope you are well by the optimistic Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also well in this sweet morning. Dear students, I am going to talk about an important topics today. Okay, students, welcome to my class. Before going to my class, I introduce myself. This is Kakuli Akhtar, lecturer in English, Alamin Islamia, Fazil Madrasa, Bonorupa Rangamati. Dear students, I am showing you a picture. I think all of you have a clear idea about this picture. These are famous feminist sketches by a Bangladeshi artist who is known as Shilpa Sarjo. Can anyone tell the name of this artist? I think all of you able to tell the name of this artist. This artist name is Zainul Abidin. So our today's lesson is Zainul Abidin, the greatest artist, Unit 7, Lesson 1. This class is for the students of class 9 and 10. Okay, dear learners, let me show you some keywords of this passage and their meanings. The first one is outstanding. Outstanding means excellent. The Bengali meaning of this word is sholpik, visionary, showing the ability to think about or plan the future with great imagination and intelligence. Bengali meaning is Shopnachari. Abundance, a large quantity that is more than enough. Bengali meaning is Prachurjo. Intense, very strong. Bengali meaning is Prabal. Heighten, it becomes stronger or increases. Bengali meaning is Barano. Regime, a method or system of government, especially one that has not been elected in a fair way. The Bengali meaning is Shashon. Okay, dear learners, I am reading this text for your better understanding. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern artist Zainul Abidin is widely acclaimed for his Bengali feminist sketches. Through a series of sketches, Zainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1940 but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made plight. He depicted this extremely shocking picture with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and using cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. He produced a series of brush and ink drawing, which later became iconic image of human sufferings. Zainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he got admission to the Government School of Art, Calcutta, now Kolkata. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. He was appointed teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London in 1951 to 52. Zainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Shilpa Sarjo, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. He organized the Nabanna Harvest exhibition in 1969. In the exhibition, a 65-foot long scroll portraying the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already heightened known cooperation movement against the Pakistani regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the artist's protest and a milestone in demanding cultural and political freedom. Zainul's dynamic style of work is evident in a 30-foot long scroll painting called Monpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. He designed the page of Constitution of Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Zainul Abidin Sangrahashala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra plays a prominent role in his painting and a source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic beauty of the river Brahmaputra. A series of watercolors that Zainul did as his tribute to the river earned him the Governor Gold Medal in an all-Indian exhibition in 1938. This was the first time when he came into spotlight, and this award gave him the confidence to create his own visual styles. Zainul was born in Kishorganj on 29 December 1940 and he died on 28 May 1976. Okay, dear students, I think all of you listen carefully and read carefully also. Okay, dear students, I am giving you a task. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Number 1 is, which word can describe the term founding father appropriately? A. Another. B. Begetter. C. Creator. D. Planner. Number 2. The cyclone of 1970 was A. Destructive. B. Harmful. C. Miserable. D. Catastrophic. Number 2 is, which of the following is not true? A. Zainul Abidin wanted cultural and political freedom. B. He did not possess his own style. C. He was inspired by getting gold medal. Number D. He was reputed internationally. Okay, dear students, all of you try your level best to complete the answer at your home. Thank you again, my dear students. Take care of your health, stay home and follow the health tips of COVID-19. Take care.